I'm Sajid and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's we'll try to do the unboxing review of the Mivi Collar Flash Bluetooth earphones. Yes friends, these are Bluetooth earphones which I did order from the Amazon website for about 999 rupees, as you can see friends, exactly. So let's see what is the initial unboxing experience and what are the specifications I'll try to list out in this entire video. And this is my second Bluetooth earphones which I did order from the Mivi. So first is a Mivi Pods 825 as well. This is a Mivi, and let's see how are this collar earphones gonna be good or not. That's what I'm going to test in the next upcoming days. So mainly I'll try to concentrate regarding the battery life and the sound quality. So these are the two things which I'll be trying to do. Even I'll try to do the gaming test as well. So make sure to stay tuned for those videos in case if you're interested regarding the gaming and all those aspects. If you want to know, here is the complete package, as you can see friends, which we got in the box. And so we are getting 1 year warranty with this one, and the extra features includes, as you can see, MEMS, mic for crystal chord clears. This is the one thing which they implemented here in this kind of new thing, and solid bass effect as well. The earphones has got kind of close to 10 mm of drivers. That's another thing you need to know. And lightweight, I think the weight is about close to 33 grams to be precise, I think. Let's see what will be the unboxing experience. A full charge in 35 minutes to 40 minutes, and flash and the dust proof, and the flash and the dust proof, and HD stereo audio. I'll try to talk about the audio quality maybe in a separate video after using for some time. So maybe for 1 or 2 days only, then I'll be able to talk about the audio quality of this one. So it's a complete plastic. Let me try to keep it aside, and there's a big box, I would say, definitely. So let me take it out. There's no other any kind of anything. So let me try to take out this Mivi Collar Flash. Everything is in green. It's completely green, as you can see friends. Everything is in the green, even green package. This is one thing you can know, definitely. And we do get this kind of card where 1 year warranty registration is very simple. Take a photo of invoice and receipt, WhatsApp the message to photo to this number. That's the one thing which you can definitely do it in case if you want the warranty to extend. And welcome to the crew, some kind of manual here. And here's finally the Mivi Collar Flash earphones. Let me try to keep this knife aside. Let me try to take out slowly. Yes. So this is how it looks, as you can see. Overall, I think it's not that heavy, I would say. And there's special protection, which is the magnetic connection as well between two earbuds. That's another good advantage, I would say. And let's see whether we got any kind of tips or not. And charging cable, that is what I'm going to check inside. And there are some kind of buds available this side, and this side there should be charging cable, I think so. Yes, the charging cable, but it's not type C. That's so weird. It's not type C. As you can see, it's not the type C, it's normal micro. That's completely weird, because nowadays all the phones they do implement this kind of type C mechanism, but still I'm not sure why they did not update to the type C. So that's not a big thing, but definitely if there is a type C, that could have been really kind of advantage, I would say. So let me try to keep everything aside, and let's talk about these earphones. The earphones, the battery life, they claim that the earphones can get up to 24 hours. So 24 hours of battery life can be possible in this one. That's the one thing which I thought of mentioning. I'll try to do a couple of call testing as well using this earphones, and I'll try to update you on this one. And even I did order the Dizo earphones as well, and Realme Buds Neo 2. All those earphones are coming maybe tomorrow, I think so. I'll try to make a review on those topics as soon as possible. And the special features includes 10 minutes equals to 10 hours of playtime. I need to do this kind of testing friends, 10 minutes charging and 10 hours testing. I'll try to make a video on that particular topic very soon, as soon as possible. So far, the battery life in the Mivi Pods 825, it's pretty good. These earphones got exactly 7 hours, whatever the company is claiming, 7.5 hours. So let's check whether this one will get or not. And I need to test the sound quality and the battery life. These are the few things which I'll be keeping an eye on this one. And right now I'm connecting to my phone as well, just to show you what is the codec is actually available with this kind of earphone. That is what I'm going to just show you basic thing. So right now it's connected, and we did get about 80% charge is available right now. And as you can see, there is no AAC or there is no HD option as well. So there is no high quality. Basically, if I try to connect to any kind of earphones and earbuds, I should see that kind of option connecting to AAC. As you can see, Mivi Pods, they do support AAC, and different earphones they do support the high quality standard, but I cannot see any kind of high quality thing. I'll try to talk those details in the next video as well. So thank you for watching this video friends, and stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to check the links in description for more details, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye.